Okay, today we're going to do an install of a screen and door closer made by Hillman. I got it on Amazon. There'll be a link in the video. Okay, for this job here, it's a pretty simple job. The first thing you have to do is find where you're going to put it on the storm door. And this door here is nearly a full view door, so we only have the one option, and that's to place it very low on the door. So I'm going to place it as close to the center of the door as I can in relationship to up and down, but it's still going to be pretty low. I'm going to put it right below the window, which starts right up here. First thing is I'm going to install this bracket onto the door frame. To do that, I'm going to use this rigid cordless drill. There'll be a link for this on Amazon as well. Okay, now I'm going to hang the hydraulic cylinder off of that bracket so I can find a good place on the door to mount the other bracket. But before I do that, I'm going to show you the speed adjustment right here. It's kind of hard to see, but a screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, goes in there. Counterclockwise is faster and clockwise is slower. So I put the one pin in here. I'm going to put the other pin in the other end. And I'm going to mount the bracket. Okay, so to install the bracket on the door, I'm going to pull the cylinder out a little bit so that's got some closing pressure. And I'm going to install the little stop device. Alright, we'll try it out. There we go, that job is done.